Hiring is scary.
It's the fear of making a bad hire that's the obstacle.
Career visioning shrinks that obstacle.
When you don't have a process, hiring feels like a gamble.
You want true leverage, not another handhold.
This isn't just a hiring class.
This is a people decision class.
This isn't about just asking questions to fill a seat. It's about finding the right fit.
The right fit for you and the right fit for them.
We're going to teach you how to look beyond the resume and understand the real person that's applying for the position.
Find people who can succeed.
And who can stay.
And who can grow. Your business will grow only to the level of people you bring into it.
In my role, I support 43 market centers, and I know firsthand how these decisions are critical for everyone's growth.
I've taken career visioning 6 times, and every single time I take it, I walk away with pages of notes and I improve my process every single time.
In this class, we're going to teach you a skill, not just a template.
The more you grow, the more valuable this class becomes.
It helps agents protect the culture, the standards, and the future of their businesses. I think it's important to add that this class was designed for agent leaders. A lot of times our market center leaders come and they take this stuff back and teach it in the market centers. This class was designed for you, the agent leader, to learn firsthand these valuable skills.
Usually, Central PA real estate agents have to drive 2 to 4 hours for this class, and this time it's right here in our backyard.
Do not wait until you are overwhelmed to start to learn this process and how to hire well. This class meets you where you're at as a leader. So even if you've taken it before, it's going to meet you where you are now in your leadership journey and allow you to accelerate where you're at.
It's a great opportunity that's finally convenient.
This is your chance to learn an invaluable skill right here in Central PA at Keller Williams.
Seats are limited, so register now. We can't wait to see you there.